Namaste, this is Nimita. Welcome to your Ayurvedic cooking platform. Fattoush. I love the sound of that name. Originally from Lebanon, but since I'm here during COVID with my family and friends trying to reinvent myself, I decided to bring in some ingredients such as mint, romaine lettuce, parsley, such good ingredients that we found in the market. So fattoush is generally eaten in Mediterranean cultures, known for cooling effects of the food. And the combination is just delightful. The salad dressing, super simple. All we're using is lemon juice, salt and pepper, and high quality olive oil, which will determine the taste of your dressing.